Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and today is Saturday. Anong araw, basa-basa pa yung buko guys, oh. Today is Saturday, November 19. Day off ko actually ngayon pero may pupuntahan kami. And dahil mabilisan ito kasi late na kaming nagising. Ako late nang nagising. Ganun talaga guys. Pag I know it's gonna be my day off, nalilate talaga ako pagising. So yung kinakain ko ngayon guys, yung breakfast ko is ano bang tawag nyo, yung breakfast ko is dito na lang sa sasakyan. Charan! Nakabili ako ng piatos sa isang Filipina din dito na parang nagbibenta ng mga Filipino food, ganyan. Tapos nagme-message siya sa akin sometimes na parang, oh, if I want something Filipino good. So I actually ordered 3 piatos. Tapos madaming pancit canton at madaming normal na noodles ng Lucky Me Union. And I know na before there was like a restriction about that because they said na parang ano bang tawag dyan, na it could be poison, something like that. Pero ewan ko, kakainin ko pa rin siya pero lang in moderation. So now ito yung yung Monmel, yung breakfast ko. Tapos umili na rin ako. Gusto ko sana yung warm coffee guys, pero wala na talagang time na to make coffee at home. Ano ba? Okay, nag-overspeed siya, that's why. But anyway, wala na talagang time to make coffee at home, kaya dumaan kami sa supermarket. Binili ko to guys. Ang mura niya, 7 crowns lang. Mabilis ang kape. Tapos beside dito, may Starbucks na ganito din, mas maliit, and then 17 kroner siya guys. So syempre dito na lang tayo. Feeling ko naman, ewan ko ba kung magkaiba yung lasa, pero sa akin parang it's all the same taste pag mga ganyan. And then of course I have to choose the 7 crowns instead of the 17 crowns. So I got this coffee and this one as my breakfast, and then a bit later today, so I'm gonna have a little bit of snack. This is just for now, so I'm gonna have the energy to actually go on my day yon. And today is actually anong oras? 8:21. And dapat ando na kami mga by 9, so may oras pa. And medyo maganda kasi medyo siya, I'm not gonna say maaraw, but the place is lighted. A while ago, like 5 minutes ago, sobrang dark niya. Ganyan ang Denmark guys, from being dark to being light so fast. Pakita ko. See, I don't know if kita mo siya talaga sa camera, but it is actually a nice day today. Kasi yesterday it was like so dark, and now it's at almost 8:30. Ganito na, medyo may araw na.